Alhamdulillah, 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 Summa Alhamdulillah that we got the keys of our apartment. Actually, not our apartment, but of our worthy client. So this box is valued $450,000. So, Ghazal Hanam,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much. I'm really
Can
happy.
you please open this box, and I just want to see what
Sure.
exactly inside. Oh my God!
The keys.
So the keys.
Remote.
Sorry.
It's okay.
So there are some remotes of
Yeah.
air condition. This is a
The
booklet. The batteries, the keyring, and what is this? The
Cups.
Turkish kahve. Wow, mashallah, it's great. And what is it?
What is it?
Let me see.
Yeah, of
Let me
course.
open
This
it.
is the surprise.
Oh my God, this is another gift. I'm not gonna open it. It will be opened by my client. So put it back.
Okay.
And this is actually the honesty and the professionalism of a professional construction company, that they are going to hand over your keys in time. They promised to deliver it in December 2024, and now it is a big day that my client is going to have these keys of his beautiful apartment. Rest of the things about this construction company and the particular property I'm gonna share in the other part of this video with Ghazal Hanam.
Yeah.
Either you or your agent is having sufficient knowledge of real estate market of Turkey cannot advise you the best because of his knowledge and experience until he is not having one important quality, that is called honesty and professionalism. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the best real estate investment here in Istanbul, Turkey, not only for your living but also for your citizenship purpose.
In this project, we have 2 swimming pools for men and women. Also, we have another one especially for the kids.
By investing in this project, you will not get your citizenship smoothly, but also the project is ready to move in and you will be enjoying your family life with high standards. Honestly speaking, this project is delivering a high standard finishing quality. Also, the additional things which I could not experience in other construction companies, I have experienced in this project. For example, you will be having 5 to 6 kitchen holes, and also you will be having 2 air conditioned for your summer holidays. When we talk about the closets and the toilet and kitchen fixture, I can guarantee you they are giving you more than your expectations.
Here, an Oriental family concept project, and when you can enjoy from the swimming or gym, your kids can play in this beautiful playing grounds.
Running water can purify your soul, and you can enjoy this waterfall every day. And this view you can enjoy from your balcony with evening tea. Health is wealth. So if you want to be healthy, we have gym, sauna, spa, Turkish hammam for you people, because we care about your health. In this project, we have 2+1, 3+1 and 4+1 inside view as well as outside view. The location of this property is very central. It is very close to Mall of Istanbul. Right in front of the project, you have metro access by 2 minutes walk only. This metro is connecting you with Marmaray train, with metro bus and with the airport metro.
The prices are very lucrative per square meter.
And this project is definitely suitable for your citizenship.
All the apartments are ready to move in, and when you buy apartment today, you can move to apartment tomorrow with all documents prepared.
If you are interested to have a visit of this beautiful project, just give us a call on our WhatsApp or send us an email. We can bring you here to visit this beautiful, lucrative project.
We are waiting for you in our office.
Thank you.